right now we are at Animal Auto and I got the GTR behind me. I just recently had a PRP, the Platinum Racing Products Trigger Kit, installed on the car. Prior to that, I just had a stock, basically stock one. So even though we did the build before, I don't know why I did not put the PRP Trigger Kit on it before, but now that I have it, whatever, we're putting it in now. We're getting some stuff corrected, retuning it, and seeing how much more power it makes, because I'm under the impression that it should make more power with this trigger kit versus the stock stuff that was in there before. And I'll probably let Andrew talk a little bit more specifically on all the details on that, because I'm not an expert on that. I don't know exactly what it does, I just know it helps. So we got the GTR behind us here at Animal Auto. We're gonna get it tuned. It's gonna be better, and we'll see what it does and see what the results are. Tune at all, and you can see the comparison right there. We've already made like a 26 horsepower increase, no changes at all.
You know what, let's wait though, because that has a lot of heat soak in it, so let's do a couple passes and go from there.
Yeah.
Up around 600 at 18 pounds of boost. So we're maxed out on map sensor. The internal map sensor on the Platinum plugin is 22 psi, and right now we're hitting 18 pounds of boost. So if it does get cold out or whatever like that, we want a little safety room and margin. We went ahead and extended the RPM all the way to 7800 to induce our ignition cut. And yeah, everything seems pretty healthy and stout. All you did is run with a 12 trigger kit, which gives us some more resolution. Time is going to drift less. So when I say give me 15 degrees, it's actually 15. It's not 13, 12, or on the contrary, 18 or 20, which isn't healthy either. So yeah, we're gonna have to come back for another visit with a larger map sensor so we can actually see more boost pressure. So we can actually map that in, you know, for the fueling and the ignition as well. We went earlier to like 22 pounds of boost just to see what it did, and jumped up to 675. And so it does have a lot left in it. It just we need to move that turbo.
Yeah.
Let me just center off this thing and we'll take a little